cold open. Imagine a protein so powerful it holds our bodies together. Intriguing, isn't it? This is collagen, the unsung hero of our bodies, making up about 1/3 of our body's protein content. Why should we care about collagen? Well, it's the glue that holds everything together, from skin to bones, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. It gives our skin elasticity and helps replace dead skin cells. But here's the mystery. Our collagen production decreases as we age, leading to wrinkles and joint pain. So what can we do? Enter collagen-rich foods like bone broth, egg whites, and citrus fruits. They can help your body naturally boost its collagen production. And then there are collagen supplements. These can be a convenient way to ensure you're getting enough of this vital protein. Remember, collagen is more than just a beauty product. It's the key to our body's structure. So make it a point to incorporate collagen into your diet and feel the difference. This is your body, this is your health. And collagen, it's your secret weapon. End on a high note.